How are you? Thank you. Today we are going to start our class. Okay, maths. And our topic is estimation. Estimation. Okay. Okay, recall the topic estimation. Okay. What topic? Estimation. Have you written, everyone? Okay, all students, you should open your notebook and mention the topic and date. I will check after opening the school. Okay, I will check your notebook for the online class. Now, estimation. First, we should mind this word estimation. Estimation. Do you know this word? Estimation? Okay, you don't know? Do you know the word guess? 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 Okay, estimation? You don't know? Then mind the word guess. If you don't know, then you should mind the word rough idea. Rough idea. Rough idea. Okay? Rough idea. Mind the word estimation. If you don't know estimation, then you should think about guess. If you don't know guess, then you should mind a rough idea. Rough idea. Fair idea. Rough idea. Okay? Do you know the word idea? View. Idea. Okay? What is your idea about this concept? Idea. One idea, fair. Another, rough. And you are trying to understand estimation. Now you should write the definition of estimation. Mind this word: estimation, guess, rough idea, estimation, guess, rough idea. Okay? Now write the definition. Write the definition about estimation. Estimation gives us, take down, estimation gives us, estimation gives us the rough idea. 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 Take down. Estimation gives us the rough idea of the answer. Rough idea of the answer. Estimation gives us the rough idea of the answer. Estimation gives us the rough idea of the answer to a question. Answer to a question. Take down. Answer to a question. Answer to a question involving operation. Answer to a question involving in operation of the number. Okay? Estimation gives us the rough idea. Estimation gives us the rough idea of the answer to a question involving in operation of the number. Okay? Understood? Have you taken the definition? what do you mean by estimation? First, mind this particular word, estimation. What is this? Okay, suppose that you want to call one student whose name is Rahim. Who is Rahim? You must understand it, okay? Similarly, you want to go in this topic, the name of topic is estimation. So, we should mind what is estimation. Okay? So, take down estimation gives us the rough idea. एक रफ आइडिया देता है हमें एस्टिमेशन. किस चीज का रफ आइडिया देता है? ऑफ द आंसर टू अ क्वेश्चन इन्वॉल्विंग इन ऑपरेशन ऑफ द नंबर. किसी नंबर का ऑपरेशन करते हैं. डू यू नो द ऑपरेशन ऑफ द नंबर? Adding, subtraction, multiplying and division. Okay, adding up two numbers, adding up more than two numbers, finding the difference of two numbers, finding the difference of more than two numbers. Okay, finding the quotient of two numbers. Quotient, do you know? One number divided by another number. Finding the product of two numbers or more than two numbers. Product, do you know? If you are multiplying one number by another number. Okay, no problem. So that type of solution is called operation of the number. That is estimation. Okay, now student, if you want to understand the estimation of the number, okay, for your rough idea, you should know the rounding of the number. Okay, rounding. For estimation, we should mind round the number. What? Round the number. Rounding. Rounding the number. Rounding the number. Rounding the number. For estimation, before the estimation, we should understand rounding the number. Have you heard this name? Rounding the number? Okay. If one number is written 103. Okay. What is the number? 103. How many digits the number has? 3 digits. Ones, tens, 100. Understood? Ones, tens and 100. A student, you want to round this number to its nearest 10. Okay, nearest 10. Ones and 10, a student, digit of, you want to round the number? It's nearest 10. Here ones, tens and 100. Okay, you want to round this number to its nearest 10. So you should mind the ones digit. Okay, ones digit. Its ones digit is 3. Its ones digit is 3. Do you know? 3 is less than 5. 3 is less than 5. So we should replace 3 to 0. Okay? 3 to 0. Then we will write the number 100. This is 103 and that is 100. Student, 100 is the rounding number of 103. 100 is the rounding number of 103. Now, we should take another example. Suppose that you have a number 107. You want to round the number 107 to its nearest 10. So, we will check the ones digit. Here ones digit is 7. But 7 is larger than 5. 7 is larger than 5. So, we should replace 7, okay, to 0. Now, according to this, and increase the tens digit by 1. Okay, replace the unit digit by 0 and we will write the 0, I mean tens digit increased by 1. So we will write here 110. Now you can think what is 110? Student, 110 is the rounding number of 107. That is called rounding. That is called rounding. Okay. Now we should mind the definition of rounding, a style of rounding. Here first, if we are going to round the number to its nearest 10 form, okay, so we will check the unit digit, I mean ones digit. If you want to change the number or round the number to its 100, okay, nearest 100, then we will check the digit of tens place. Are you understanding? Are you understanding? Okay, no problem. Thank you. Now, rounding the number, we are going to start. First, take down the first sum. First sum, round the numbers, round the number nearest 10. Take down, round the following number, the following numbers, round the following numbers, round the following numbers, the nearest 10.
Yes,
36,
sir.
173, 3,869, 16,378.
Ayos. Hello, Ayus.
Understood, student? These are the sum. You
Ayus.
want to round these number to its nearest 10. Okay? Now check the answer. Answer number A. We are writing the number 36. Your number is 36. And you want to round the number? Rough idea? Give your rough idea for the nearest 10. Mind the ones digit. What is its ones digit? Ones digit is 6. Ones digit. Ones digit is 6. Okay, a student, 6 is larger than 5. 6 is larger than 5. 6 is larger than 5. So, replacing ones digit by 0. No. Yeah, replacing the ones digit by 0 because 6 is larger than 5. So replacing the ones digit by 0 and keep and the keeping the tens digit. Here tens digit is 3. Okay, 6 is larger than 5. So we will increase the tens digit by 1. We will increase the tens digit by 1 and keeping the tens digit increased by 1. Increased by 1. Okay. Now 36 is rounded to 40. Now 36 is rounded to 40. Understood? Mind, round the following number the nearest 10. Your first question is 36. You are thinking about your ones digit. Ones digit is 6. That is larger than 5. If ones digit is larger than 5, then then we will replace ones digit by 0 and increase tens digit by 1. Okay. If we are going to round the number to its nearest 10, then we will do the work. What? First, we will read the ones digit. Ones digit, if ones digit is either 5 or more than 5, either 5 or more than 5. ध्यान दो, जब आपको नियरेस्ट टेंस में राउंड करना है नंबर को, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल चेक द वंस डिजिट. द सिस्टम इज वंस डिजिट. इफ वंस डिजिट इज आइदर 5 और मोर देन 5, या तो 5 होगा या 5 से ज्यादा होगा. अगर ऐसा होता है तो आप क्या करेंगे? रिप्लेसिंग वंस डिजिट बाय 0. वंस डिजिट को 0 कर देंगे एंड इंक्रीज्ड टेंस डिजिट बाय 1, और टेंस डिजिट को 1 इंक्रीज कर देंगे. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? Understood? So that 36 is rounded to its nearest 10 is 40. Okay. Now we should go in the next sum. Sum number B. 173. What is the number? 173. Now our first work is checking the ones digit, because we want to round the number to its nearest 10. Okay, so check the ones digit. Ones digit is 3. 3 is less than 5. Since 3 is less than 5, 3 is less than 5, so we will replace the ones digit by 0. Okay, after replacing ones digit by 0, take down. After replacing the ones digit by 0. Okay, ones digit by 0 and keeping the remaining digit same, keeping the remaining digit same. The number 173 is rounded to the number 170. 173 is rounded to 170. Why 173 is rounded to 170? Because its ones digit is 3, which is less than 5. So we will replace the ones digit by 0 and keeping the all remaining digit same. Okay. Okay. No increasing of tens then. No increasing of tens then. Why no increasing? Because unit digit is less than 5. Because unit digit is less than 5, so no increasing of tens digit. And we should write here, after replacing the ones digit by 0 and keeping the remaining digits same, then we can round the number 173 by 170. Okay, that is called rounding the number. Okay, now student, we can take the last sum. Sum number D. Remaining you will do. Mind sum number D, answer number D. 16378. Can you read the number? According to Hindu Arabic system, 16,378. What do you want to do? आप क्या करना चाहते हैं? Sir, we want to round the number to its nearest 10. Mind the question, then mind the answer. Okay, number is 16,378. What do you want to do by this number? Sir, we want to round this number by its nearest 10. Okay, now check the ones digit. Ones digit is 8. Okay, which is larger than 5? Okay, since 8 is larger than 5. Since 8 is larger than 5. Okay, so after replacing ones by 0, after replacing ones 8 by 0 and increasing the tens by 1, our estimated number will be 16,378 equal to 16,380. Okay. How 16,378 rounded to 16,380? Okay. We are in rounding the number nearest 10. Rounding the number nearest 10. Here one's digit is 8. 8 is more than 5. Okay, so we will replace the 8 or one's digit by 0. Okay, and increased the tens digit by 1 because 1 is larger than 5. Then keeping remaining digits same, we can estimate or we can round the number 16,378 equal to 16,380. Understood? Okay. Now second types of sum. Round the following numbers the nearest 100. Take down the second question. Round the following numbers the nearest 100. Nearest 100. Take down some sums I am giving. Sums are 814, B 12,254, C 43,126, D 98,165, E. Oh, D only 4 question. Now student mind the question. Around the following numbers the nearest 100. Nearest 100. We are starting first sum. Answer A. Mind the number 114. And question is nearest 100. Okay. Mind the first concept nearest 10. Then okay, we had started there from ones. Okay, now this is nearest 100, so we will start from tens. Okay, now tens. Here student, tens digit is 1. Can you guess? 1 is less than 5. 1 is less than 5. Not larger than 5. Not equal to 5. Less than 5. Okay, since 1 is less than 5, 1 is less than 5. Then what will we do? अब हम क्या करेंगे? Tens digit is less than 5. Tens digit is less than 5. So we will replace tens and ones by 0. Tens and ones by 0 and keeping the remaining digit same. Okay, we can estimate the number. Since 1 is less than 5, so after replacing tens and ones digit by 0 each, keeping, then we can write the answer. 814 is rounded to 800. 814 is rounded to 800. How 814 is rounded to 800? Because we are in 100. So we will check the tens digit. If tens digit is less than 5, not equal to 5, not larger than 5, less than 5, then after replacing tens and ones digit by 0, we will replace the tens and ones digit then 0. Okay, and keeping the remaining digit same, we can round the number in this way. Understanding? Now second or D, last question. Answer number D. Our question is 98,165. 98,165. We will check the tens digit. Student, here tens digit is 6. But we are writing here since 6 is larger than 5. Here since 6 is larger than 5, so we will replace the digit. Okay, ones by 0, tens also 0, and increase the digit 100 by 1. Okay, we will replace the tens and ones digit by 0. We will replace the tens and ones digit by 0 and increase the 100 digit by 1. Then we can round the number. Okay, then take down. After replacing tens and ones digits by 0 and increasing 100 digit by 1. 100 digit by 1. After replacing tens and ones digits by 0 and increasing 100 digit by 1. Okay, our rounding number will be 98,165 equal to 98,200, because you have increased the 100 digit by 1. Okay, and replacing the ones and tens by 0, increasing the 100 digit by 1. So your rounding number will be 98,200. Understood? No problem. Now we are going in third types of sum. A student, third types of sum. Round the following number, the nearest thousand. The nearest thousand. Take down. Round the following numbers, the nearest thousand. The nearest thousand. First question is 793. Second, 4826. Third, 16,790. And fourth, 28,394. First 793, second 4,826, third 16,719, and fourth 28,394. We are in nearest thousand. First of all, take down all these questions. Then we will go in solution. Okay, have you no any problem? Understanding? Okay, don't worry. We are going in first solution. Answer number A. Your number is 793. Our number is 793. But we want to go in nearest thousand. So, in the place of the number, digit, we will go ones, tens, then hundred. Because we are in thousand. So, in the place of the digit, we will go to hundred. Ones, tens, hundred. 100 digit. The digit at the place of 100 is 7. Okay. Are you thinking 7 is larger than 5? Very good. 7 is larger than 5. So, we will replace the ones and tens, ones, tens and hundred by 0 and increase the thousand by 1. Okay. Now think once again. A student here, ones, tens, hundred. Digit at the 100 place is 7. We are thinking how we can round the number to its nearest thousand. We are in thousand. So we are going ones, tens and hundred digit. Okay. We are going to the 100 digit. Here 100 digit is 7. 7 is larger than 5. Since 7 is larger than 5, so we will replace all the digit, ones, tens and hundred by 0 and increase the digit at the thousand place by 1. Okay? Understanding? But think first of all, what is the digit at thousand place? In this number, what is the digit at 1,000 place? Can you guess? No digit at all. Okay? No digit at all. So we can guess 0. Okay. Now our number is 0793. 0793. But numeral is 793. What is the digit at the 1,000 place? We can say 0. No digit. So our answer will be 0. Okay. Now here 7 is larger than 5. So after replacing ones, tens and hundred, place digit by 0 and increasing the digit at 1000 place, at 1000 place by 1. Take down the statement. After replacing ones, tens and hundred place digits by 0 and increasing the digit at 1000 place by 1. Okay? After replacing ones, tens and hundred place digits by 0 and increasing the digit as 1000 at 1000 place by 1, we can round the number 793 equal to 1000 digit is 0 and you are increasing the 1000 digit by 1. You are increasing the 1000 digit by 1. So 0 plus 1 equal to 1 and we can round the number 793 1000. Understood? No any problem? Are you understanding how you are going to round the number to its nearest 1000? Now we should start the last question. Last sum. Answer number D. 28,394. 28,394. You want to go in nearest 1000. Okay. So you will check the digit at the place of 100. Okay. Mind. You want to go to round the number to its nearest 1000. So you want to check the digit at the place of 100. अगर आप राउंड 1000 में कर रहे हैं तो 100 प्लेस को चेक करेंगे. Ones, tens, 100. Digit as at the 100 place is 3. Okay. Can you guess? 3 is less than 5. Okay. 3 is less than 5. 3 is less than 5. 3 is less than 5. So we will replace all the digit. Ones, tens and 100 by 0. Okay. And keeping the remaining digit same. No increasing the remaining digit. Keeping the remaining digit same. Why same? Because the digit at the 100 place is 3, which is less than 5. भाई जब लेस देन 5 रहेगा तो आप क्या करोगे? वंस, टेंस, 100 को रिप्लेस कर दोगे किस में? 0 में. और रिमेनिंग डिजिट को वैसा ही रखोगे. डोंट इंक्रीज. ओके. डोंट इंक्रीज द डिजिट which is at the 1000 place. Okay. Keeping remaining all the digits same. Don't increase. When the digit at the 100 place is less than 5. Okay. So that student, after replacing, take down the same statement. After replacing ones, tens and 100 place digits by 0 and keeping the remaining digits same. Keeping the remaining digits same. We can round the number 28,394 equal to what? Replacing this 3 by 0 and keeping the 1000 and 10,000 same. Okay. keeping the 1000 and 10,000. I mean remaining digit same. Not increase the 1000 digit because 100 is less than 5. We will write 28,000 only. So 28,000 is the rounded number of 28,394. Are you understanding? In this way, we can round the number nearest 10,000, nearest lakh, nearest 10 lakh, etc. Can you do? Can you do now? Okay. Thank you. Now, this is the style of rounding the number. Rounding the number nearest 10, nearest 100 and nearest 1000. Now students, sum number 4. We are going in estimation. We are going in estimation. Mind the estimation. Mind the estimating. Estimating. We are estimating the expenses for this work. I mean, we are guessing. We are guessing. कितना खर्च होगा हम गेस कर रहे हैं. इस काम में कितना खर्च होगा हम क्या करते हैं, गेस करते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड एस्टिमेशन. दैट इज कॉल्ड एस्टिमेशन. एस्टिमेटिंग. ओके, नाउ वी आर गोइंग इन एस्टिमेटिंग. टेक डाउन द सम. एस्टिमेट the sum. Estimate the sums. Estimate the sums nearest 10. Nearest 10. Estimate the sum nearest 10. Sum number A. 57 plus 34. B. 43 plus 78. C. 14 plus 69. D. 86 plus 19. E. 95 plus 58. F. 14 plus 69. Oh, that is the same question. No, 77 plus 63. 77 plus 63. Okay, 77 plus 63. Now G. 356 plus 275. H. 463 plus 182. I. 538 plus 276. These are the sum, students. Estimate the sums nearest 10. Estimate the sum to the nearest 10. Estimate the sum to the nearest 10. Now mind the estimation. Okay, estimation means guess. Okay. Now solution number A. Our sum is 57 plus 34. 57 plus 34. And indication is nearest 10. Now student, our first number is 57. We will write first 57. 57. And we are in nearest 10. Think 7 is greater than 5. 7 is greater than 5. So we will replace the ones digit by 0 and increase the tens by 1. Okay, understand? Here our number is 57. Once digit is 7. 7 is larger than that of 5. So we will replace the ones digit by 0 and increase the tens by 1. In this way, we can round the number 60. Understanding? How we are rounding the number 60? Our number is 57. Okay, repeat it. Our number
सर
is
आपका फेस नहीं आ
57.
रहा है
One's digit is
सर आपका
7.
फेस
7 is larger than 5. Okay, so we replace the ones by 0 and increase the tens by
सर आपका फेस
1.
नहीं आ रहा है
Okay, in this way, we can round the number 57 by 60. Understood? Our second number is 34. Take down. Our second number is
फेस नहीं आ रहा
34.
है
A student, one's digit is 4. 4 is less than 5. So we will replace the ones by 0 and keeping the tens same. And keeping the tens same. Why same? Because ones is less than 5. So in this way, we can round the number 34 to its nearest 10, 30. Okay. So that 60 plus 30 equal to 80. Oh, very good. 90. मशीन गर्म हो गया
फेस
है.
नहीं आ रहा है
60 plus 30 equal to 90. This is called estimation. This is called estimation. सरस्वती पूजा होता है तो पहले हम लोग मीटिंग करते हैं. हम लोग मतलब हॉस्टल के बच्चे. तो एक क्या बोलता है, भाई एक को प्रेसिडेंट बनाओ, तो एक बच्चा प्रेसिडेंट बनता है. दूसरा को बोलता है कैशियर बनाओ, तो दूसरा को कैशियर बनाता है. अब कैशियर का क्या काम है, भाई किस तरह से चंदा देगा, रोहिणी कितना देगी, तो रोहिणी देगी 5000, रोहन कितना देगा 3000, है कि नहीं. और सचिन का भाई है एक, सचिन का भाई कौन है, अर्वाचीन. ओ दीपक कितना देगा, तो 2000, है ना. अब हम लोग गेस करते हैं. क्या गेस करते हैं, बाजा वाला कितना लेगा 2000, साउंड वाला, लाइट वाला कितना लेगा 4000. ठीक है. अरे भाई रात में डांस डूंस होगा तो वो कितना लेगा, तो 7000. तो क्या एक्यूरेट इतना ही लेता है, नहीं, आगे पीछे होता है ना थोड़ा खर्चा. तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, गेस करते हैं, और गेस करके क्या करते हैं, एस्टिमेट बनाते हैं. एस्टिमेट बनाकर क्या करते हैं, चंदा लेते हैं. चंदा लेकर क्या करते हैं, वर्क करते हैं. वर्क करने के बाद क्या करते हैं, सोचते हैं पैसा बचा या शॉर्ट कर गया, है ना. उसी को बोला जाता है एस्टिमेट. तो आपने अभी एस्टिमेट किया. लाइट टेस्ट कितना लेगा 57. साउंड टेस्ट कितना लेगा 34 लेगा ना. क्या एक्यूरेट उतना ही लेगा, नहीं. तो हमने गेस किया. 57 मीन्स 60 गेस करो ना, 34 मीन्स 30 गेस कर लो ना. Total expense for this work is 90. That is called estimation. Now student, answer number H. Answer number H. Mind the question H. 463 plus 182. We are in the degree. Estimate the number. Nearest 10. Now first number 463. What a number. Here one's digit is 3. Okay. We should think. Because we are the master. How we can round the number. Okay. Now don't write the statement. Only think. Here one's digit is 3. 3 is larger than 5. Am I right? Okay, 3 is less than 5. So we will replace the ones digit by 0. And keeping the remaining digit same. Keeping the remaining digit same. Because 3 is less than 5. So we can round the number 460. Very good. Jio Puttar. Now second number is 182. Second number is 182. Okay, one's digit is 2. 2 is larger than 5. Oh ho, no no. मशीन गर्म हो गया है. 2 is less than 5. 2 is less than 5. So we will replace the ones digit by 0.
Hello, sir.
And keeping the remaining digit same, we can round the number 180.
Hello, sir.
Now, student, our estimation is 460 plus 180. 0, 0, 0. 8, 6, 14, 1. 1, 1, 2, 2, 4, 6. 640. That is called estimation. That is called estimation. Now, student, answer number I. What? What is your problem, student? Raise your finger. 538 plus 276. Hello, student. Try to check your weakness in this sum. Now, student, come in estimation. Our first number is 538. Check the digit at the ones place. Ones place digit is 8, which is larger than 5. Then we will replace the ones by 0 and increase the tens by 1 because 8 is larger than 5. सोच लिए हैं आप लोग, वंस डिजिट 5 से बड़ा है तो वंस को किस में रिप्लेस करेंगे? 0 में. और टेंस को कितना बढ़ाएंगे? 1. ओके, पहले टेंस है 3, 1 बढ़ा दिया तो हो गया 4. ओके, वी कैन राउंड द नंबर 500 and okay, very good. Why not? Now our second number 276. Now a student unit digit is 6, which is larger than 5. So we will replace this by 0 and increase the tens digit by 1. Now our tens digit will be 8. Okay, 100 digit keeping same. Okay, so 2, 8 and 0. We can round the number 2, 8 and 0, 280. Now student estimate. 540 plus 280 equal to 0, 0, 0. 8, 4, 12. 1 in our memory. 3, 5, 8. So our estimation is 820. Vaishnavi Kumari, what is your problem? In which question? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. I. Okay, then repeat this solution. I. Answer I. 538 plus 276. A student, you want to estimate the sum. You want to estimate the sum. Mind the problem. What is estimate? Guess. Okay, estimate means guess. First, we should round all the addend. First, we should round all the addend, then estimate. Okay, now here first number is 538. We are in nearest 10. So first we will check the digit at ones place. Ones place digit is 8. Vaishnavi, ones place digit is 8. Okay, 8 is larger than 5. Okay, if one's digit is larger than 5, then we will replace the ones by 0 and increased tens by 1. Increased tens digit by 1,
One.
keeping the remaining digit same. Okay, now mind 100 digit is 5, no problem. Tens digit is 3. Okay, we will increase the tens by 1 because your ones digit is larger than 5. Now your tens digit is 3, increased by 1, so 4. Okay, and replacing the ones digit by 0. Okay, our estimated number is 540. Rounding number is 540. Okay, no problem. No problem, students. Now, second number is 276. 276. Think the ones digit. 6. Okay, larger than 5. So replace the ones by 0 and increase the tens by 1. So this will be 8. Okay, keeping the remaining digit same. Then you will write 2, 8 and 0. 2, 8 and 0. 2, 8 and 0. Okay. Now 540 plus 280 equal to 0. 8, 4, 12. 1, 3, 5, 8. 820. Okay. Okay. Now student, we are starting the next sum. Rohan, open the book. कौन? हाँ ये नहीं, कुछ कर देते हैं, कुछ स्टूडेंट करेगा है? हो गया है. ओहो, स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ टाइम इज ओवर. Time is over. You will go in the estimation and try to estimate the sum to its nearest 100 also. Some sums I am giving you. Take down please. Types number or sum number 5. 2 minutes. Sum number 5. Estimate the sum. अभी क्या था 100. अभी क्या चल रहा था 10. Estimate the sum nearest 100. Estimate the sum nearest 100. Nearest 100. Only two sum. A 236 plus 689. B 3280 plus 4395. Take down the sum. Sum number 6. Estimate the sum nearest 1000. Nearest 1000. A. Hello, A 35,863. B 46,703. Write down this sum number 5 and 6. You should try to solve all these sum. Open the chapter nearest rounding estimation. First chapter. Go in chapter number 1. इतना ही सम है ना? क्या हो रहा है? इसको हटाओ. नहीं मिला. कहीं होगा लिखा हुआ एस्टिमेशन. यही है ना? ठीक है. इतना ही. Hello. Student, have you taken these sums? Okay, we have completed our topic estimation. Estimation today. Okay, from next class, from next day, we will meet in the same class, but half hour before. I mean 11:30. From 11:30. Okay, note down the time. We will meet again in the same class from next day, half hour before. I mean 11:30. Okay, 11:30 a.m. Thank you. All the best. Save yourself and try to learn the concept and do your homework also. Thank you. Thank you. All the best.